How to verify your bank account on Gemini. Hook, have you ever wondered why Gemini asks you to verify your bank account? It's a security measure to protect your funds and ensure you're the rightful owner of your account. But how do you actually go about it? Let's dive in and find out. Context: Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To ensure the safety of your funds, Gemini requires you to verify your identity and bank account. This process might seem a bit daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Step 1. Access your Gemini account. The first step is to log into your Gemini account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile settings or account settings. Step 2. Locate the bank verification option. Look for a section labeled Bank Verification or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Choose your bank. Gemini will likely provide a list of supported banks. Select your bank from the list. If your bank isn't listed, you might need to contact Gemini's customer support for assistance. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. You'll be asked to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank account number and routing number, or ABA number. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Gemini might require you to complete additional steps to verify your bank account. This could involve microdeposits. Gemini might deposit small amounts of money into your bank account. You'll need to identify these amounts and enter them into Gemini to confirm ownership. ACH transfer. You might be asked to initiate an ACH transfer from your bank account to Gemini to verify the connection. Troubleshooting tips. Incorrect information. If your verification fails, double-check the bank account details you entered. Ensure there are no typos or errors. Bank restrictions. Some banks might have restrictions on ACH transfers or international transactions. Contact your bank to inquire about any limitations. Technical issues. If you encounter technical difficulties, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. You can also contact Gemini's customer support for assistance. Benefits of bank verification. Once your bank account is verified, you will be able to deposit and withdraw funds. You can easily transfer funds between your bank account and your Gemini account. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can use your verified bank account to purchase and sell digital assets on Gemini. Access advanced features. Some features, such as margin trading or advanced order types, might require a verified bank account. Security and privacy. Gemini takes security seriously. Your bank account information is encrypted and stored securely. Rest assured that your funds are safe and protected. Conclusion. Verifying your bank account on Gemini is a crucial step in ensuring the security of your funds and accessing all the platform's features. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily complete the verification process and start trading cryptocurrencies. Call to action. Have you verified your bank account on Gemini yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Follow the steps in this video and get started today. End screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative cryptocurrency content. Until next time.